Hi, welcome to Math with Miss V. In our last video, we learned the basics of multi-digit multiplication. We learned how to multiply a multi-digit number by a one-digit number. But in this video, we will learn how to multiply a multi-digit number by another multi-digit number. You remember the procedure for multiplying when we have a one-digit bottom number, right? The bottom number, we are multiplying by each of the digits in the top number. For example, we learned in a previous lesson, 342 times 6. You already know how to do that. Let's just review it, okay? 6 times 2 is 12. We will put the 2 and carry 1 to the tens place. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 more will be 25. We will put the 5 and carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18. 2 more will be 20. So 342 times 6 is 2052. Okay. When the bottom number also has more than one digit, we have to do the same procedure we learned for each bottom digit. So we will multiply 8 by 453, then we will multiply 4 by 453. What I would like to do, I would like to separate 48 by 40 and 8. 48 is equal to 40 plus 8. What we're gonna do? The first step, we will multiply 8 by 453 and put the answer in the first line. We will multiply, in the first step, we will multiply 453 by 8. In a second step, we will multiply 453 by 40. Second step. And in a third step, we will just combine the answers together. Okay, let's do the first step. Forget about 4. Just we will multiply 8 by 3 by 5 by 4. You already know how to do that. Let's do that. So 8 times 3 is 24. We will put the 4 and carry 2 to the top of the next number that we're gonna multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 more will be 42. We will put the 2 and carry 4 on the top of the number that we're gonna multiply next. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 more will be 36. Okay, we finished the first step. Let's do the second step. In the second step, we have to multiply 4 by 3, then by 5, then by 4. Because 4 is in the tens place, its value is really 40, not 4. That's 10 times bigger. So the answer we get should be also 10 times bigger. So before we start multiplying, we need to put a 0 in the first spot of our answer line. So the answer will be 10 times bigger. Let's put the 0. That means that all the other answer digits are shifted to the next bigger place. Okay, let's do that. But before multiplying 4 by 453, let's cross out these top numbers from the previous multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12. We will put the 2 and carry the 1 on the top of the number that we're gonna multiply next. 4 times 5 is 20. One more will be 21. We will put the 1 and carry 2 on the top of the number that we're going to multiply next. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 more will be 18. Okay, we finished the second step. In the third step, I already told you we're just gonna combine these two answers together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 8 is 11. We will put the 1 and carry another one. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, 453 times 48 is equal to 21,744. Let's try another example. 4,567 times 35. Let's line up them by number places. Again, the same way, we will, in the first step, we will multiply 5 by the top number. Then in the second step, we will multiply 3 by the top number. Then we will combine the answers. Okay, let's do that. 5 times 7 is 35. We will put the 5 and carry the 3 on the top of the number that we're going to multiply next. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 more will be 33. We will carry the 3. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 more will be 28. We will put the 8 and carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 more will be 22. We finished the first step. The second step, we will multiply 3 by the top number. But before doing that, you remember 3 is in the tens place. So the value of 3 is actually 30. So we're going to put the 0 that the answer 4,567 times 3 will be 10 times bigger. Okay, now 3 times 7 is 21. We will put the 1 and carry 2. I forget to cross this out. And carry 2 to the top of the number that we're going to multiply next. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 more will be 20. We will put the 0 and carry 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 more will be 17. We will put the 7 and carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 more will be 13. Okay, now the third step, you remember we just have to combine these two answers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. And we will bring down the 1. So, 4,567 times 35 is equal to 159,845. Let's do one more example. 6,826 times 234. Let's line up these two numbers by number places. Okay, in this situation, the bottom number is not 2-digit or 1-digit. It's 3-digit number. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna have one more step to do. The first step, we're gonna multiply 4 by the top number. The second step, we'll multiply 3 by top number. And the third step, we will multiply 2 by top number. And finally, the fourth step, we will combine the three answers together. Let's do that. 4 times 6 is 24. We will put the 4 and carry 2 to the top of the next digit that we're going to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 more will be 10. We'll put the 0 and carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 more will be 33. We will put the 3 and carry another 3. 4 times 6 is 24. 3 more will be 27. Okay, we finished the first step, multiplying 4 by the top number. Now we're gonna multiply 3 by top number. Because it's in a tens place, you know it's 10 times bigger, so I'm gonna put the 0 first, that the answer gonna be 10 times bigger. Let's do that. Before, I'm gonna cross out the numbers from the previous multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18. I'm gonna put the 8 and carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 more will be 7. 3 times 8 is 24. I'm gonna put the 4 and carry the 2 to the number that I'm gonna multiply next. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 more will be 20. Okay, we finished the second step. The third step, we will multiply 2 by top number. I'm gonna cross out these two numbers. But 2 is in a hundreds place. It means it's 100 times bigger. So I'm gonna make the answer 100 times bigger. I'm gonna put 2 zeros. Now I'm set. I can multiply 2 by the top number. 2 times 6 is 12. I'm gonna put the 2 and carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 more will be 5. 2 times 8 is 16. I'm gonna put the 6 and carry the 1 to the next number that I'm gonna multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 more will be 13. Now we just have to do the last step, which is combining these three numbers together. 4, 0, 0 together is 4. 0, 8, 0 is 8. 3 plus 7, 10, 12. I'm gonna put the 2 and carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 5 is 17. I'm gonna put the 7 and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Plus 6 is 9. I'm gonna put the 9. And 2 plus 3 is 5. And I'm gonna bring down the 1. So 6,826 times 234 is equal to 1,597,284. Thanks for watching. See you next time.